Good morning, everyone. Class 12, subject biology, chapter 2, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Megasporogenesis. The process of formations of megaspore from the megaspore mother cell is called megasporogenesis. Showing this the figures. Figure A. This is the micropylar end. This is called nucleus. This is present in the center. It's called megaspore mother cells. And next figure is divided into two parts. Megaspore dyad. Dyads means two elements, yet something's two parts of is called dyads. A large megaspores mother cells dyad and tetrad megaspores. Then further divided into four parts megaspore tetrads. It is this figures is micropylar's end. Next B, a mature embryo sacs 2 4 8 nucleate stage of embryo sacs. Firstly stage is 2 nucleate, then after 4 nucleate divided into and then 8 nucleate stage is of embryo sacs. This part is synergids, then egg cells, then it is present in central cells. Two polar nuclei are present in these figures, and 1 to 3 these are antipodals. Embryo sacs, mature embryo sacs seen in the figure. Chalcel and antipodals, central cell in presence polar nuclei, egg cells attached in the synergid cells, filiform. Synergid cells in presence the filiform apparatus. It is a mature embryo sacs. Discuss about in this megasporogenesis. Female gametophytes in a maturity of following plants. One of the megaspore is function while the other three degenerate. Only the functional megaspore develops into the female gametophyte embryo sac. This methods of embryo sac formation from a single megaspore is termed monosporic development. The nucleus of the functional megaspore divided mitotically to form two nuclei which move to the opposite poles, forming the two nucleate embryo sac. दो nucleate embryo sacs का two more sequential mitotic nuclear division result in formations of 4 nucleate and later the 8 nucleate stages of the embryo sac. Central cell 6 of the 8 nuclei are surrounded by cell walls and organized into cells. The remaining two nuclei called polar nuclei are situated below egg apparatus in the large central cell. Three cells are grouped together at the micropylar end. Micropylar end constitute the egg apparatus. Constitute the egg apparatus means build up or develop the egg apparatus. The egg apparatus in turn consists of two synergids and one egg cell. The synergids have special cellular thickening at the micropylar tips called filiform. This is the tips of micropylar. It is called filiform apparatus. Filiform which play an important role in the guiding pollen tubes into the synergy. Three cells are called antipodals. जो 3 cells are present, ऐसे करके फिगर है divided into 3 parts. This is chalcel end and this is antipodals. So 3 cells, 1, 2, 3. 3 cells are the chalcel and are called antipodals. The large central cell has 2 polar nuclei. This is the large central cell. In present, 2 polar nuclei. A typical angiosperm embryo sac at majority through 8 nucleate is 7-celled. This we have tomorrow studied pollinations. Continue to be this topic. Thank you.